Now we have done everything about prompt engineering. Now what you have to do, you have to understand one thing which are very much important. Do not ignore this. So three important things which I am telling you right now. First, join our free courses. Okay, that means we always create free courses. So just search on any browser Google courses. Just go to our website, and from our website, my friends, you can just scroll down at the very bottom, and then you will going to see the option of a free courses. You can simply click here on the free courses, and you can see all the free courses. So majority of our courses is now based on AI. Okay, so if you want to just upgrade your knowledge a lot, so you can just come here, learn our free courses. You do not require to pay any informations like your credit card or anything. You can just simply come here and start the learning. When you will click on the start learning, you can just directly go and start to learn it, okay, about this course. That's it. Or you can just simply click here, so you can just read about what this free course is all about, okay, and you can just simply click on the start learning, and it will going to take you guys to the same place. Okay, so without any ads, without any disturbance, you can just go to our website, play the hey guys, course, welcome to this and you can see you will going to get a lot of free courses and very useful courses, and lot many people are getting interested in our website, in our service. And you can see we create a lots of ChatGPT or AI courses. You can see a lot many of them are like create faceless with AI. So we just create more and more content on AI. So our thing will be that just join our free courses. You will just going to learn a lot of things. Okay, even you just select in proper category. For example, you want AI courses, and let's say here you will going to see the free courses category. Okay, so just search for that and you will going to find all the AI courses for free. Okay, so this is the amazing thing which I want to tell you, my friends. Okay, so make sure just go ahead, join our free courses. So when you will join the free courses, you will going to learn more free strategies, okay, which we have given you, more valuable knowledge which we have given you for absolutely free in our website. Okay, and the second thing which I just want to tell you is that you always have to make sure that you use some social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and you just search for some AI topics, and you will also going to able to learn a lot about that here. And the third thing which I just want to tell you is that it's very much important to use Python and ChatGPT. So you have to have the information or the knowledge about how to use Python with ChatGPT or some other LLM models. Okay, so you can just do a lot many things. Let me show you with one example. For example, here I am in the Python. Okay, this is called as Python, okay, which we are doing for our coding. And here we have just integrated LLM model like ChatGPT. Okay, and just see the response. So here you can see we are using OpenAI's ChatGPT, and for example, this script will going to just convert this YouTube video. You just have to paste the URL of YouTube video, and when you will going to click on the play button, it will going to convert this YouTube video to Twitter. Okay, but if you use this same function in our ChatGPT, so it will not be able to give you the proper response, right? So this is the power. So you just need to just click on this play button, and then it will going to give you the response here in the terminal. Wait for a few seconds and see the power of ChatGPT or other LLM models with Python. You can see it has converted this video into tweets, which you can just post it on Twitter. Similarly, let's say we have lots of things. You can even go with chatbots. Okay, you can just build your own chatbot. You can even summarize the blog. For example, we have this blog. Okay, you can just paste any blog URL over here, just play the script, and my friends, you guys will going to see the magic. Okay, so now it will going to take few seconds, and within few seconds it will going to summarize this particular blog URL into points. So it will going to save lots of your time in the research world. Okay, so you can see it has just created in the points. Okay, so you can see it's extremely powerful. You can even build some tools with Python and LLM models like ChatGPT. Okay, so it's very powerful, and you can just do a lot many things. Like you all might remember that ChatGPT and other LLM models cannot give you real-time data. Okay, but in our case you can just ask with real-time data as well. For example, you might know that ChatGPT cannot give you the latest updates, but if you will ask $1 in INR equals to, or let's say you can just ask ChatGPT latest tricks. Okay, if you will use this and click on play button, it will going to give you the real time. That means this year information, latest informations as well. So this is extremely very powerful, okay, to use. You can see it has given us the latest stuff. Just wait for few seconds, it will going to give you the summary from different articles. You can see ChatGPT is a popular, etc, etc. So extremely powerful, my friends, right? So make sure that you just do not limit it to the ChatGPT interface. Okay, just explore it more and more with Python and ChatGPT. Okay, and you can just do a lot many things. Now you might be wondering, okay, I understand the power of Python and ChatGPT integration, but I don't know how to use Python. I have never used Python. Okay, so the solution is very simple. You can just go ahead and you can just go to our same website. Just go to the courses tab, and here you can see, my friends, we also have created a complete 5 hours course. Okay, beginner become a prompt engineer, go from zero to scripting AI workflows. If you will just go to this course, okay, and of course you will not see this course, you can just search prompt something like this and you will going to see this course over here. Okay, so you can see this course we have is of 5 hours course. Okay, and you can just learn each and everything from basics of prompt engineering. We will going to teach you exactly how to download the Python and all. Okay, and we will just going to tell you all the basics and everything. So everything will be covered inside this course. Okay, and we have also provided the course link if possible in the very last, in the bonus lesson, but you can just come to our website and from here also you can just take it. Okay, you can see integrations. We will going to teach you the basics of Pythons. Okay, then we will going to teach you how you can just connect with a Python and ChatGPT. Okay, LLM models integration. Okay, prompting and animation. So we will also going to provide you the our premium script, a premium bundle, which you can directly put and you can use it. So a lot many things has been taught here inside this course from scratch. Even you don't have the knowledge of Python, still you can just go ahead and take this course. Okay, because everything we have taught will be from scratch. Even Python we will going to taught you from scratch, right? So you can just come here, just click on this get membership, and you can just upgrade your knowledge. Just set your username, email, first name, last name, password. You can just go ahead with 2 plans. We have yearly and lifetime, and if you use 50 discount, okay, and if you will just apply it, you will just going to get it with half price. Just select I'm not a robot, register, and then it will automatically be registered. It will ask for payment, make payment, and then you can activate your membership, and you can even get our premium courses. And we just update it. Currently we have updated the Google Tag Manager course, which you can see it's totally of 5 hours course. You can also get this one, and we again and again update the courses. You will going to get certificate as well for each and every course. So that's a very powerful. And one more thing, for some countries we do not accept the payments directly, like India or Bangladesh or Pakistan. So in that case we have a solution. You can just go ahead and click on support. So in case if you it will going to show some kind of error while making payment, So you can just simply go to support, and then from here you will see this unable to make payment now. Click here. Okay, and then we have two manual methods to pay for, especially for India. If you're from India, so you can just pay us with our yearly plan or a lifetime plan. Okay, so you can see yearly plan will in INR, in Indian currency, it will going to cost this much. In lifetime it will going to cost this much. You can use 50 discount here as well, okay, to get it at the half price. So you can even pay us manually. We will going to activate your plan, and we will even notify you as well. And even if you're from, let's say, Pakistan, Bangladesh, okay, where our main payment you're not getting accepted directly from our sign up page, and if you face any error, so you can just pay from here as well. You can just go with the yearly or a lifetime plan here as well. Okay, so you can see lifetime $20 per year, and the yearly will, here also you can just use 50 discount, and you can just get it for half the price. Okay, so it's very powerful. In case our main sign up doesn't work, you can just pay us manually as well. We will going to activate your plan, and in case if you face any problem, our support team is here. You can just contact on WhatsApp, live chat, or even you can just click on the support button, and you can just go ahead and you can even contact in our email. Okay, so lot many options are there, and along with that, not only the courses, but we also provide some of the amazing package as well with our service, like some premium softwares, premium ebooks. You will going to get 4,000 plus ebooks, 30,000 email marketing templates, okay, graphic bundles, okay, and many more. Okay, premium themes and plugins, and if you will come to our website, we will going to add more and more offer for you guys. Okay, so it's very powerful. Okay, so just go ahead, explore our website, explore our free courses, and believe me, my friends, you will be very much surprised, and you will going to love a lot our website. Okay, especially our courses. So this is what I was just wanted to tell you about 3 important things to do. Okay, make sure you just do it. Okay.